Hi everyone, so I hope you guys are having a poppin' day. Today I'm going to be unboxing my EDC ticket and some other goodies. So let's get started. So I got my EDC ticket in the mail. It's my very first year going, so I'm like super excited. I've been planning it for a while, obviously, and I'm so excited. Okay. So let me give you a little sneaky peeky of what's in there. Okay, the first thing that's in there is this, which I think is like a scarf. Let me open this up. I'm glad I have scissors. Okay, and also I didn't watch any like other videos before this, so I'm super excited. Okay. What is this? It says EDC. I think, hold on, I'm trying to show you guys this. Okay. I guess you can like wear it over your mouth or like around your neck. So that's cool. Like I guess you can do like this. Okay, cool. So it came with this. That's the first thing that was in here. Okay. Okay, I'm so excited. So this is in here, or this is what it is. It says obviously EDC, Las Vegas 2019. Super excited. This is what the side looks like, and on the back it says all are welcome here, which is super cool. I really am like vibing with that. Okay, so we're gonna open it up. Again, this is like, it was so funny because like I got it like delivered to like my back home, not my apartment, and my grandma, like, she was like, oh, did you order like some books from like Amazon? And I was like, it's my concert ticket. Okay, so this is what it looks like, the inside. I am so obsessed with this little like smiley face. Then it says welcome home. Then it says EDC. I don't know what any of this is. I know one of these is a ticket. Oh, okay. So, sorry. In the welcome home one, it comes with this like super cute wristband. It says GA. And then it just says Las Vegas 2019. So I'm just going to keep it. Sorry, let me show you guys so you guys can get the full experience of this. So yeah, it just came in here. So that's cool. So I'm going to just keep that, I guess, in here. Then I'm going to open up the little smiley face. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I opened the smiley part of this, and this is actually really cute. There's EDC pens. There's like EDC, Insomniac, this like little like eye thing. I think it's eyeballed. So this is cool. I'm probably going to put this on my fanny pack because I have a fanny pack that I've been putting a bunch of pins on. Another cool thing, it comes with a patch. It says EDC Las Vegas 2019, obviously. So this is super cute. I'll probably put this on like my jacket. I have a jacket that I'm trying to put patches and stuff on because I've been collecting more patches. Then there's this little handy little keychain that says EDC, obviously. A lot of branding, good marketing. I love it. Okay. Then there's also some stickers. I'm not about to open up all. Actually, you know what? Here, let me open it up so you guys can see it. Because I'm like, this is the point, is to see everything. Okay. These are, oh, this is cute. Okay. They're just, okay, so there's stickers from other like Insomniac events. So there's Beyond Wonderland. This is super cute. The eye for Insomniac. There's the EDC one. I'll probably put one of these on my laptop. There's one hard. There's Countdown. Oh, I like this one. I actually really like this one. There's Escape. It's so crazy because I hear about all of these, but I've actually never been to any of these. And then there's just these two. So that's pretty cute. And that came in the smiley face section of the box. So, okay. So the last little section is this booklet. It says EDC. And Okay, I don't know what this is. Okay, so it just explains a little bit about what EDC is for 23 years. Oh my gosh. The festival is like actually really old. And so it has pictures of people, community values, just different things. It also shows like different stages. So I'm probably just going to look through this like later and kind of just get some, kind of plan out where I want to go. There's like cool like pictures and stuff. It's just like a little booklet. It also says like just pro tips, like it says what to bring, what to pack. If you guys want me to make a video about what I'm packing to EDC, because I'm packing a lot of stuff, let me know. I am probably gonna vlog. Okay, and then also it says register your wristband. Okay, I need to read like all this later because I'm like, what is going on? So I guess I have to register the wristband, who knows. So yeah, there's a bunch of tips and stuff in here, so I'm gonna read through that later. I thought that was really fun. And I just wanted to like unbox it so you guys could see my reaction. And so that is my first part of the unboxing, and I'm just gonna set this over here. The second part, like I said, I did order from Melt Cosmetics. Their Smoke Sessions palette did just come back in stock, so of course I had to pick that up. Okay, so you guys get the full experience too. I like love their boxes. I've ordered from Melt before. If you guys want me to do like a full Melt video, I can. I have their Gemini palette, I have some of their stacks, I have some of their lipsticks, and I just love it. So it's green, super cute. Sorry. Okay. Again, with the cute stickers. Melt was here, so I'm gonna set that right there. There's just my receipt. Okay, so I got the bundle because I was like, I really wanted to get the Smoke Sessions palette when it originally came out in Black Friday. I really wanted to get it then, but I didn't because there's just so many other things. So I decided to get the bundle. So this is what the bundle came with, and it immediately sold out. Like I was on there at like 12, like midnight, and I just bought this. So it came with this. It's like this really cute makeup bag. I'm probably just gonna use this again for like makeup. I actually might use this one for like skincare and stuff when I travel because it's really cute. So it came with that. It came with the actual palette, obviously. Also, everything is really nicely bubble wrapped. I really like appreciate that. I feel like everything's packaged really well. So I'm going to show you the actual palette. Oh my gosh. Okay. Smoke Sessions. Sorry, I'm trying to like show you guys in a really good way. So these are the shades. They're super pretty. I'm gonna make a full video, actually, like probably a tutorial just using it and creating a look with it, but I'm super excited. It's super gorgeous. Another thing it came with was in the bundle, which I don't know why they bubble wrapped the lighter, but this is a lighter. It's bubble wrapped really good. So yeah, I got this lighter. It also came in the bundle. I was trying to get, sorry, this is really loud. I was trying to get the piece, but for some reason I wasn't able to order it. It's just this really cute lighter. I don't think it's refillable. It just says I love Melt, and the heart has like little like weed plants in it. It's really cute. So a lighter. So that's cute. The last thing that's coming in here, and I'm kind of, okay, yeah. So that's the last thing that's in here. I'm so excited about this, you guys. This is also kind of the one of the other reasons why I wanted to get the bundle, because I was like, this is cute. So it also came with a grinder, and it says Melt on it, and it has the heart-shaped, and there's a weed, the weed plants, like the same design as the lighter, so it's like super like aesthetic. Like, look how cute this is. Like, this is a moment. So like I said, oh, let me show you guys the grinder. I'm so sorry. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It is a like multiple chamber one. So it has this. Then on the bottom it does have the keef collector, so you can like collect your keef, and there's a little like scooper here, so it's like, it's super nice. So I'm just hyped about this. So yeah, I am gonna make, like I said, a full-on video. If you guys want, do you guys want me to make a video? I will, but I most likely will. And like I said, so in here, the palette does fit. I feel like this is a pretty good makeup size bag. The lighter obviously fits, so everything fits. I'm not gonna put the grinder back together, but you guys get the point. Everything fits all nice and perfect, and it's super cute. I really like it. I can't wait to use it and test it out. I really do like Melt Makeup. They're one of like my favorite brands. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a poppin' rest of your day. And let me know if you guys are going to EDC, or if you guys have any like tricks or tips for like first timers, because yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. It's my first big like EDC, like not EDC, EDM event, so I'm super hyped. So drop your tips below, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!